Sorry. Y'all ready for this? For real? You ready?
Hang on. Do it.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Father Abraham has many sons, and many sons have Father Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let's just praise the Lord. Right arm, left arm, right foot, left foot. Father Abraham has many sons, and many sons have Father Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let's just praise the Lord. Right arm, left arm, right foot, left foot. Father Abraham has many sons. So I have to Father Abraham has many sons. And many sons have Father Abraham. I am one of them. So are you. So let's just praise the Lord. Right arm, left arm, right foot, left foot. What if you did it like that? Right arm, right left. Right arm, left arm, right foot, left foot. Father Abraham has many sons. Oh. Father Abraham. Is there a black person here? That is highly disrespectful. But the Lord said there was one in here. Oh, there it is. Wait, were you asking? Is there a black purse in here? Yeah, that's what I said. Is there a black person here?
No, he doesn't even say that. He says, yes, success.
Is there a black person here?
I love when she's like, there's a white person here too. He's like, well, I need one of those.
She's like, all right. She starts to take her earrings off. Oh, there it is. I just love how he's like this. Is there a black person here? Father Abraham has many sons. Many sons. Abraham. I feel like Abraham is up there looking at us like, oh Lord. This is what brings you joy? Father Abraham has many sons. And many sons have Father Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let's just praise the Lord. Right arm, right foot, left foot. Father Abraham has many sons. And many sons have Father Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let's just praise the Lord.
Can you do Australian?
Australian?
Mm-hmm.
Father Abraham gives many sons. And many sons here, Father Abraham. No, not really. It's hard.
What about Irish or Scottish?
I just did that.
Oh, what did you?
Yes.
Was that what that was?
Father Abraham.
That's what that was. Okay.
Scottish.
British.
Oh Lord. Father Abraham has many sons. I can do this door. My money don't jiggle jiggle.
It falls. Oh, look at it. Wiggle wiggle. For sure.
Let's see. Father Abraham has many sons. And many sons have Father Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let's just praise the Lord. Right arm, right foot, left foot. Father Abraham.
You sound so like polite when you sing it.
Brother, Father Abraham has many sons.
The gangster version.
And many sons have Father Abraham, and I am one of them. Okay, I'm going to bed, bro. No, I'm not going to bed. I'm going to go read.
Read about Father Abraham.
Father Abraham has many sons.
Like the pussy girl version.
Father Abraham has many sons. And many sons have Father. So
There we go. What the heck was that?
Father Abraham and many sons had followed to Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let's just praise the Lord. Why left why left?
I can even look at that one.
Father Abraham.
Let
Let me hold on. In the